Okay, we're at the entrance to Thomson Causeway Campground, and we're gonna go to the River Birch area. Hello. We already toured the other 3 campgrounds, but we're going to River Birch. It's really a nice campground here. I can't say how nice it is enough because it's very nice. It does get crowded on the weekends. There's a lot of rules, but hey, rules are what makes the world go round. The main rule is check-in time doesn't start until 4. So if you're fortunate enough to get here and nobody's on your site, you can park on it early, but you have to go check in at 4. And that's actually what we did because we knew nobody was on our site. So we got a little extra time camping. River Birch is kind of cool. One thing I did notice, there's probably a couple branches that may touch the top of your coach. It's not gonna, there's the dump station. In all the campgrounds through here, you just watch for low branches. I think there was one that touched our coach, and that's all it did was touch it and went slow. Speed limit's only 10 anyway, so. There's a nice comfort station up here. This is actually part of the bike trail. It's called, I don't know, the Great Mississippi Bike Trail or something like that. So there's the comfort station. The signs are faded. It's called the Great River Trail of Illinois. So this is Potter's March, River's Birch. I actually like it down here too. And doing 20 miles an hour coasting. Whoops, I had to hit the brakes. Speed limit 10. That was a nice little tire flattener there. There's a water spigot. There's another water spigot. Little pavilion. I think Crystal and I liked Site 85. That's the River Birch group shelter. I'm sure it's reservable. These are all waterfront. '93, '94, '95. Probably be good. Oh, guy's setting his satellite dish up, so it probably does get satellite.
You can see our camper from down there.
You can?
Yeah.
Let's go point it out, because I didn't see it. We're camping down here now. Crystal says we can see our camper. I didn't know we could see it from River Birch, but that's cool.
First one right on the point right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can't quite see it. And it's over there. Might be able to see it from out here. No, it's behind the tree. And I can see it, but it's behind the tree. See it over there?
Yep.
Okay.
Tree right in the way.
Well, let's head for the Great River Trail. And that concludes our tour of Thomson Causeway, River Birch area. Have a great day.